There's a local organization, Cradle Cincinnati, going around health center to health center, making sure they look better than they did before, changing the colors of the walls, the tiles, the ceiling, really everything. I'm joined here by WCPO reporter Lucy May, and Lucy, it goes beyond the physical changes and what the color on the walls look like. Why are they doing this?
Yeah, Cradle Cincinnati is an organization that's really focused on lowering the infant mortality rate in Hamilton County and Cincinnati, and they started this program a few years ago, the idea being that one of the big barriers to having healthy babies is prenatal care for the moms, and they figured if they could make the health centers more welcoming, more inviting, kind of inspire different discussions for the healthcare providers between the providers and the moms, that it would encourage them to come back and get the prenatal care they need to have healthy babies.
And we spoke to Alita Knight, who's been going there for 30 years, so she's seen this health center really develop from time to time. She takes her kids there. Of course, this has been with the input of patients, but also staff, because we did speak to a pediatrician who says she was able to help with these things.
Yeah, they really take time to talk to the people who use the health centers, but also the staff who work there every day, and they have very important ideas of how to make the health centers better. The pediatrician talked to us about private rooms for nursing moms and just the different things that they could bring to the mix after working with patients for so many years. And they said the doctor told us that it not only made the patients feel better about going, but the staff feels better too. They feel appreciated. She said there was a little more pep in their steps.
And of course, Cradle Cincinnati, this is the third health center that they've been able to remodel. You went to the very first one at Price Hill. How do they pick, which health centers to help out?
They said they really look at areas where the infant mortality rate is a problem, but also where they're going to have really good partners. They need the cooperation of the health centers, obviously. Both Price Hill and the one that we visited in Northside are operated by the Cincinnati Health Department, which has been very engaged in this work. So they want to have good partners, and they want to have places where they're really going to make a difference.
To help make these health centers look better than they did before. Of course, we've got all that information and so much more on WCPO.com.